we are headed to our stop for the night. And the reason why I turned these glasses on to show you guys this is because when you travel with your home, you're pretty much maximum stay for this recreation site, 14 days per year. Unattended camps may be left for a maximum of 72 hours. Okay. And we're going to stop over here for a second. We're going in a hole. Hang on. Okay. That's okay. We're in a hole. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. That was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for cargo trailer conversion, or cargo trailer camper, or cargo trailer crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A month to 17 children. I would have thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
Now, when you are on these roads and these sites, you will run into all sorts of stuff. You just will. Like, I can't compare to you or tell you, okay? The roads are going to be bumpy. You may not fit. You got to take it real slow. Things are going to get jostled around. There's going to be no hookups, no water, no nothing. You're literally on your own out here, guys. Literally. Can't express that enough. So if you come out to these sites, please do 3 things for me. 1, leave them better than you find them. That's first, okay? 2, be responsible. And 3, don't overcrowd it. And just don't overstay your welcome. We all want to enjoy these things, guys. Now, I have a feeling that I'm going to be the only one out here. But then again, there could be a bunch of people out here. Now, I'm trying to get down this road quickly. I don't endorse this, but the reason why I'm trying to go fast is because the sun is setting, and I want to show you guys the sunset without wiping out. You can see it right there. It's beautiful. I'd say we got about 5 minutes of sunlight. But the goal was to get here, was to get to the end by 5 whatever, So you want to basically know where you're going before you go there. Now, my logistics guy, Dean, he's absolutely amazing, and you'll probably hear about him in some videos. I lost him at the top of the hill outside of Rawlins, and so now I'm on my own for the night. But there's no cell service out here. That's another thing. No cell service, no internet. You're not browsing the web. You're not going to be doing YouTube. You're not going to be doing Facebook. It's going to be you.
In 800 feet,
and
your destination will be on the right.
Absolute beauty that the Lord has provided you. It's just going to be unbelievable, guys. Just unbelievable. And I mean, obviously it's a no-brainer. You can see that. Wow, this is just wow. Hold on. Let's get a picture of here if we can. Oh, there, look at this. Yeah. They say don't let the sun go down on me. All right, guys, let's get down this hill. It says there's 5 sites. So I'm guessing this is going to be our site down here at the bottom of the hill. Look, they got a restroom, but we have our own, so we won't use that.
Your destination is on the right.
This is unbelievable, dudes. I got literally like minutes before the sun is out. Hold on, guys. I'm going to swing in quick here. Swinging in quick. Whoa. Wow. Okay, let's get out there before the sun goes down, quick. Oh crap. Hop over, hop over, hop over, hop over, hop over, hop over, hop over. We're running, we're running, we're running. Okay, here we go. Wow, just in time. We made it. Oh, gotta get the TW in there, don't we? Just in time. Wow, unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm glad you guys can share this with me. It'll be a while before I can upload it to you because obviously there's a little cell signal issue here. I want to check and see what's available and what's not, just to make sure we're in the right spot. Remember I told you about that? Please park there, right there. Please pack your trash back home, okay? That's what I was talking to you guys about, all right? So we want to try to be just as good as we can to the environment, guys, okay? All right. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this video. I got to get the tiny home prep for the night. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side. This is going to be an absolute beautiful evening in the Teton Reservoir, BLM, in Wyoming. A little bit of buggy. Might have to get some bug spray on, but Maggie is ready for rest for the day. And the TW is ready to party. You know what? I think I'm going to turn the door towards the lake so that I can open up and look up the lake. All right, guys. That's it. We're done for the day. We made it. Okay. Take care, guys. See you next time on Tiny Wanderland.